Hello guys, it's me again. I'm doing this video because of thousands and thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of requests from you guys to make this video on how it's done. Nah, I'm lying. It's only one of my friends asked to do this video. He didn't ask. I said I was gonna do it, and he said, "No, you don't have to." I was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna do it anyway." So I'm talking about the soup, which is amazing, and today I will show you how it's done. If you've got all the ingredients prepared, like I am, it's not gonna take long. Okay, so I've just finished boiling potatoes. And I've cut up some dill because that's what you need: hot potatoes and dill with this soup. So you boil potatoes, cut up some dill, drop them all around until they're hot, cover it up, put it to one side. This is ready. If you can't boil a potato, sorry, you shouldn't be on YouTube anyway. Okay, so I will show you how it's done. Okay, so position this okay so everybody can see. Now, let's start with kefiras. Kefiras is an Eastern European rotten milk. You English might know this as kefir. That's what I'm using. So 3 of those. Pour it in the pan. I need to shake it first. Okay. Boom. Soup is beginning. That is 1. I know that kefiras is really good for you. That's why all Eastern Europeans are so healthy, and you English people are not so healthy. So you need this soup in your life. Plus, it's very good, I was told by a few English friends. Don't have a lot of them. What do you expect? Eastern Europeans have English friends. Funny. Okay, so you've got 3 of the kefiras packets emptied into a bowl. Now you take burokele, which means there it is. See? Let me just focus this for you. Pickled red beetroots. That's what you need. They're a bit sour, lightly sour. Empty it into the pot. And another one. These are half-liter ones, I think. Yeah, 480 grams. 2. Okay, 2 is enough. Now you take spring onions, about that much. I don't know, it's like two of them packets. Empty into the bowl easily. Boom, done. Now you take those long cucumbers. This is 1.5 or 3 6-inch cucumbers. There we go. Put it in the pot. Now you need lots of dill, a packet of dill. A bit more. Packet of dill. There we are. Oh, there's some leftovers. Scratch everything off the board. There we are, nothing left. And then you need, for this I'm using 4 eggs, hard boiled. Again, if you don't know how to boil an egg, you shouldn't be here anyway. And that is done. That's it. That's all you need. Now all you need to do is just mix it. I do have another one of beetroots. Well, I'll just give it a quick taste after I'm mixed it. See whether it'll be beneficial to add this one as well. Because this will give more sort of, what do you call, more spice or more flavor. But it might be that 2 is plenty. Okay, so that's all mixed up. Let's give it a good quick taste. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ, this tastes so good. Okay, wash the big spoon. What do you call the big spoon? I don't know in English. So none of my saliva gets into the pot. Okay, that is done. Now, you distribute it. I like to eat it until I lose consciousness, and then when I regain it, I like to eat some more of that until I lose it again. And literally a day has passed, and I am feeling lucky. Okay, that's a bowl. Now we need a little bit of them potatoes with the dill. Oh, they smell nice. That's it. That's the soup. So now my friend Henry can make the soup, or his mom can make the soup. But you saw how easy it is to make. Thanks for watching, and goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video, if I'm not dead. Bye bye.